Understanding, Take as Directed, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's common, yet critical in contexts such as medical instructions or advice. Take as directed. Understanding this phrase can be incredibly important for your health and safety, so let's break it down together. Remember, the key is in the details. Take as directed is a phrase often found on prescription medicine labels or given as advice by healthcare professionals. It means that you should use the medication exactly as instructed by your doctor or the guidelines provided on the packaging. This can include the dosage, frequency, and duration of the treatment. Ignoring these instructions can lead to ineffective treatment or even dangerous side effects. Following the directive to take as directed is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures that the medication works as intended, helping you recover more quickly or manage a condition effectively. Secondly, it minimizes the risk of side effects or complications that can arise from incorrect usage. Lastly, it helps prevent antibiotic resistance, a growing global health concern caused by the misuse of antibiotics. Let's consider a few examples to better understand how to take as directed. 1. Prescription label. If a label says, "Take 1 tablet by mouth twice daily," it means you should consume 1 tablet in the morning and 1 in the evening, every day. 2. Doctor's instructions. If your doctor says, "Take this medication with food," you should always consume the medication during or after a meal to avoid stomach upset. Ensuring you take as directed can sometimes be challenging. So here are a few tips to help. Set alarms on your phone as reminders to take your medication at the right times. Keep a medication diary to track when you've taken your dose. Ask questions if you're unsure about any instructions related to your medication. Understanding and following the instruction to take as directed is vital for your health and safety when it comes to medication. Always seek clarification from a healthcare professional if you're unsure about any instructions. We hope this video helps you navigate your health more confidently. Stay safe, and see you in our next video.